the 2020 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you